Alright, here is the kit we're going to build. It is Glock 17 slide. As you can see, sights are already installed, so that's good. It's a good start. And we're going to start with the extractor and plunger assembly. So, alright, so first we have extractor. See the little thing in the bottom there? Gotta seat the spring into that. This is the spring. So put that in there and seat it. You can feel a little click when it goes in, and it shouldn't fall out. Alright, next we ring the slide over and put that right in the slide. Just like that. Okay, here's another angle. See maybe a little better. Next, we want to put together the plunger. Here is the plunger bar. Alright, put that here. And attach the spring to the plunger bar. Okay, we put the spring onto the plunger and that little piece in the end. Very positive detent. You can feel it click in. You can see the final assembly. Alright. You can see where the extractor goes, right into there. Alright. So, this is the orientation it goes in. You can see the extra hole down there, and that's the hole for this to go in, as you can see. So this just fell out. Let me put this back in. Blooper reel. Alright. And then put this in here. Like that. Alright. And in order to keep that straight, we need to put the plunger in. Now to do that, see, everything just fell apart. That's great. Plunger goes in like this. Like that. That's pretty cool. And the plunger here is going to go in the little hole. So, alright. So now that is put together, and we're going to assemble the firing pin. Okay, so the firing pin, got the pin. Alright, put that first, and then the firing pin slide guard thing on top. Now the secret here is to keep this all the way down while we install the spring, and that's hard to do by yourself, one-handed. So I use this block to help. Alright. And Alright, now you just take this, put it in the block, and that'll rest on here to take the pressure off while we put the spring on top. And then we will need to compress the spring and put on the keepers, the spring keepers. And that's where it gets really kind of difficult. Okay, so hopefully this is a good angle. See in a minute. So, key here is compress the spring and put the keepers on and not have it fly across the room on the first try. So there it is. Alright. Got the assembly. It's ready to go. Now, just need to take the slide. Alright, put this in. There it is, all together. Right, now we just start this final thing in. And the trick here is to push down with enough pressure that doesn't go flying across the room. The assistance of my pen. Now, a lot of people may use something else for this, but I'm using this. It's fine. Need to apply a little pressure. Pen's pretty cool. Bullet pen, nice. Alright, now the plunger, the extractor. And there it goes, snaps into place. Now, if you guys want to change this out later, we can show you how to do that. But it gets a little more complicated. But there it is. That's the assembly of the Glock slide. Pretty straightforward and simple. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.